Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olivia and you guys are watching the Oli Amazing Hairstyles. Yeah, so in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I did this my beautiful DIY curly wig. Yeah, so to start, here I have my my chair, which I tied my shoelace around it. So this is where I will be forming my curls. Yeah, and so here I will be using some perm rods for the curls. Yeah, and also with the hair, the extension hair I'll be using. Yeah, this is expression hair. Yes, so what I do is that I just split a little bit of the braiding hair and then tie it around the shoelace, and take a little piece of that to wrap it around, because I will be creating two curls branches. How do I call that? In one braid. Yeah, if that makes sense. I've done this kind of curls several times, if I'm not mistaken. So there is nothing new, nothing particular. How do I say it? Everything is the same way I've been curling my hair for some time now. So that's it. Just take a little. That depend on what you want to do. Yes, if you like, you can use some what is it called, some straws. So me, I've been using my perm rods for some time now, because it's not easy to find some hard straws around me. So I've been using my perm rods to do my curls, and somehow they've been coming out so beautifully, so I'm okay with that. So I'm just doing the same thing, cutting a little piece at a time and then tying it around the shoelace, and yeah, twist a bit and then separate that, wrap that around. So at this point I'm done creating the hair. Now I will be creating my curls. Yeah, and like I showed you guys earlier, I used two colors of perm rods, and both colors, they are of different sizes here. The gray one you see me using now, they are bigger than the orange color. Yeah, so I separated the one braid into two, and then wrap that around the perm rods to create my curls. Yeah. Like I said, everything depending on what you want, what you choose to use. You can use flexi rods and also some straws if you want. So now I'm done coiling my hair. I'll just go ahead and dip it in hot water. Yeah, so just dipping that in hot water, making sure that the water touches every part of the coils, the rods, or what do I call it, the perm rods, in order for the coils to come out perfectly nice. Yeah. So now I'll just use my towel to like dry that up, because I won't be spending time waiting for it to dry up. Yeah, so now I'm just unraveling the coils from the perm rods. As you can see how nice it is looking. Yeah, it's really beautiful. Take a look at this. So I'll just unravel another one again to let you guys see. And mind you, when you are doing that, you need to be like gentle. You need to take it easy in order not to roughen the coils. Yeah, just take your time slowly. Voila, as you can see, it's looking nice. And meanwhile, I already have other coils I've made already. I made this one I think 3 days ago off camera. Yeah, so this is the one I've made already, and I use the same process with my perm rods. Just the same thing you see me do. This is how I achieved this one. So I decided to do this on camera in order to let you guys see what I will be working with. Yeah. So now I'm done unraveling the hair. At this point, we're going to be starting the wig section. Yes, let me call it that way. Yeah, at this point I'll be starting with the wig. As you see, I have my block head. Yeah, I'll be using block head because I don't have a normal mannequin hair, so I'll be using my block head. And also I'll be using this net I got from AliExpress to do this wig. Yeah. That we can stop it now, 'cause baby, our love is gonna burn it down. So as you see, if you notice, the coils came out with two branches. I don't know how they call this. If you understand what I mean, I have the coils in two branches. I don't know if I should call it that way, and that was because I used 2 perm rods in one braid, so it turns out like this, which is very beautiful. So as you can see, I'm just crocheting that on the cap, making sure that I give space in between in order not to make the hair. I want the hair to be super full. I want the hair to be full, but at the same time I would like it to look full and also cute and nice, if that makes sense. So I'm just crocheting the hair. And mind you, take your time, you don't need to rush. As you can see, I was just struggling with that part because I didn't put the needle through properly, and that's why I'm struggling. You see, I'm just struggling to like close that up. So when you are doing this, you always need to be like, take your time, don't rush, okay? Don't think I wanna stop it now, baby, our love is gonna burn it down. So I'll be crocheting the hair, the coils all on the net, and then I'll see you guys later on. So as you can see, I've gone a bit far from, like, this is how far I've gone. Yeah, crocheting the hair again. I'm still doing the same thing. And when you are, the net is very fragile, like it's not a strong net. So when you are crocheting the hair, you need to at least pick like 2-3 holes, like you put the needle in between 2-3 holes at a time before crocheting the hair through it. If not, you end up breaking the nets. How do I call it? Yes. So, and also always give space in between in order for you to get that good result you are going for. Yeah. If you notice, this part I'm crocheting, this is my front side, the front side of the wig. Yeah, you know, it's not I'm using a thumb cap, and with a thumb cap it's not easy to like differentiate the front from the back. So I just marked that with my foundation, and I'm crocheting it the way I would like it to look on my face. So I've been cold for so long. So right now I'm done crocheting all the hair. As you can see how it's looking, not too full, but at this point I'll just go ahead to separate the hair, the coils. Yeah, the coils are formed. I'll be separating that just once. Yeah, as you can see how full they are looking, the hair is looking now, and beautiful as well. So now I'm just going ahead to trim that off, at least to shaping that a bit, to make it look nice. Yeah, just trim that off, trim out the excess fly out, and just make it fit, you know, in a way it will fit on your face. Yeah. Like I always say, when you are working with a braiding hair, you don't need to like you know, it's not a human hair, but if you know how to manipulate it, it's going to come out beautiful, just the same way as human hair. As you can see, the wig is looking beautiful already, even on the dummy, on the blockhead, is already looking nice and beautiful. It's not even on my head yet, but believe me, I'm loving this. So now I will be putting this on my head. I just went off camera to apply my makeup, and yeah, let's size this to see how it's looking. Wow, this is gorgeous. I love this. Believe me guys, I didn't know it was going to look this beautiful. Like, seeing it is full, which I love so much. It's the fullness of the wig is what I really love so much. It came out beautiful, full and lovely, believe me guys. So I think this is all I have to show you guys about this hair. Try it out yourself, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do me the favor by subscribing to my channel, and also turn on your notification bell in order to be notified anytime I post a new video. Just be kind enough to comment down below. Tell me what you think about this, my new hairstyle, and make sure you give it a thumbs up. Thank you. It's crumbling to